Are you trying to stand out among a sea of truck driver job applicants? You're not the only one. Learn about the hiring process and how to nail your application. Hey, I'm Cory, a driver recruiter at Anderson Trucking Service. Let's start with step number 1. Fill out the job application. The job application is your first chance to make a great impression with companies. If you have autofill turned on your device, double check your information before you send the application in to make sure that it's accurate. You can also have a friend or family member review your application to catch any errors. Step number 2. Answer your phone and emails. If the phone number is unfamiliar, I don't recommend ignoring it. It might just be a recruiter trying to contact you. This ensures that you're leaving a good impression and that the orientation date doesn't get delayed. Step number 3. Be honest and communicative. If you want to stand out, being honest will be a game changer. Explain your negotiables and non-negotiables. What do you need to be satisfied in this position? It's also important that you discuss any incidents that may be a red flag. Now's the time to explain both sides of the story. Step number 4. Have a great safety score. It's pretty obvious that drivers with good safety scores will stand out to recruiters. Keep in mind safety best practices to avoid accidents and other incidents that could hurt your reputation. Step number 5. Research the company. Before you send in your application, spend some time learning about the company. Talking to a driver that has no clue what company they applied to can be super frustrating to recruit. For example, if you're applying to a company to be a hazmat hauler, but they don't move that kind of freight, you're applying to the wrong place. When you take that little time to learn about the company before applying, you're showing the recruiter that you're serious. Ready to start applying to companies? Be sure to keep these tips in mind to ensure you find your dream job. If you're ready to fill out an application at a top paying carrier like ATS, fill out the quick application link in the description. Thanks for watching another edition of Over the Road on the Truck Driving Channel. We make new videos like this every week. If you found this video to be helpful, give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again, and we'll see you out on the road.